Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on KDA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently KDA has broken out another down channel on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this was a last video that I shared almost one day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live 4-hour time frame, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, so far the price is not able to break out this resistance zone. That is, by the way, starting from $1.10 and goes to $1.18. Recently, we have found this support and resistance on this 4-hour time frame chart. That was recently breaking a support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance and we got stable rejections. And recently, after the breakout from this channel, we are once again rejected by this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you its previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. By the way, we have broken out this wedge on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to show you this very huge and massive falling wedge pattern that is broken out on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice short rally, but the price and was rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $2 and goes to $2.50. That has been previously working as a resistance on here, and again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. Just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for iron layer, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of KDA. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, it was moving inside this channel. And I was telling you that we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. And you can see that we have broken out the channel, but still moving here sideways because of this resistance on. That's out from here from $1.10 and goes to $1.18. That has been recently breaking a support zone here, and now after the breakdown, this flipped into a resistance. By the way, after breaking out this resistance zone, there will be another very long-term resistance here at $1.40. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this $1.40 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, for several months, it has been working as a very strong support. And the technical target for the breakout from this down channel on this 4-hour time frame chart is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2. And by the way, from $2 to $2.50, we have another very long-term resistance line. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price and was rejected by this resistance, almost got rejected by this resistance on from $2 to $2.50. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously when we broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, even at that time after the breakout, the price and was rejected by this long-term resistance on from $2 to $2.05. Therefore, this is a key resistance on there that we need to break out in order to continue this rally to the upside. That was, by the way, previously also working at the resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.